Hello everyone. Few days back, one of my good friends called me up and told me that one of his friends genuinely liked my mindset related videos and he found it really helpful. And at that moment, I was so grateful and thankful. I couldn't even tell you, because my only aim of making these kind of videos is genuinely helping someone or impacting anyone's mindset. It could be just one person, and I am seeing the signs that my work is really getting appreciated and valued and for some of you people, and I'm really grateful for that. So yeah, I just really quickly want to mention that firstly. So for today's video, someone in my previous videos have commented and asked me to make a video about overthinking. Here I am. Let's get started. So, out of every species on this planet Earth, almost every species see, when we overthink, our overthinking is not based on any particular reality but all false beliefs. And it only takes one negative thought to start the entire cycle of overthinking. We tend to overthink a lot about anything, any random stuff. It can be simplest and smallest thing to some major issues. It can be like random things like what to eat for dinner, or why that particular person hasn't texted back yet, or some decisions we have to make for our future, or some decisions we regret making in the past. But have you noticed one thing here, that anything we overthink about is not related to our present state. It's always something happened in the past or something related to future. It's never about the present. Because let's do something. Close your eyes right now and ask yourself, what problem or worry do you have right now? Like right now, in this very second, not in the next minute, not next day, right now. Just do it. You will get your answer. And the answer is nothing. I have read somewhere in a book, problems are inevitable, but suffering is a choice. That is so powerful. Let me explain. Problems are inevitable. That means they are always gonna be there no matter what. In whatever stage you are in your life, something is going to be messed up. And you can't help it. That's life. But the choice is yours. You wanna suffer it or not, because suffering is a choice that you have to make. So now let me share some of the ways with which you can deal with the pressure of overthinking. We can't completely avoid it. It's the beauty of human mind, but we can deal with it, right? Because that is in our hands. Where we want to put our attention is in our hands, right? So the first thing I would highly recommend for you to do, whenever you find yourself in the loop of overthinking, do one thing. Just write it down. Doesn't matter you write it with a pen or paper or just in your phone. Doesn't matter, but write it down. Because when the thoughts are in only your head, It can be so messed up, but once you have written them down, you'll feel a burden is lifted. Once you have written all your thoughts down, your brain will realize that there is nothing to think about right now. Your brain can now work on something else. Second point is a little thinking process. Understand this. It's just your thought and not your reality. It's just one of 1,000 thoughts that you have in your day. It will affect you only if you let it. It is scientifically proven that 90% of the stuff that we worry about throughout the day never actually happens. So what's the point, man? Third, put things into perspective. So once you have written down everything and clearly see your thoughts in the written form, you will realize that most of the things that you are being anxious about is not that big of a deal. Fourth point is take action. When is the most common time that you find yourself overthinking? Just think about it. Yeah, it's the time when you have nothing else to do, right? When we have actually nothing else to do, we become the victim of our own mind. You will not most likely to overthink at that time when you're actually busy or actually doing something productive. Your mind doesn't work that way, okay? It can only concentrate on one thing at one time. So that is why take action, do something. Any action is better than no action. You can do that thing which you're overthinking about. Do that thing. I'm here to tell you, do that thing. Fifth and the final most thing I would like to say that you can't control everything. So just let it be. Yeah, things can be bad in the future or it can get messed up, but things can actually surprisingly be good at any moment of time. So you can't do anything about everything. So just let it be and accept it and work on you. So that is all for today's video, and please comment down below what type of videos you want me to do in the future. I will love to do it for you, and please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot if you do click on the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll see you the next week. Bye.